Mendelian genetics. A lot of us learned about this in high school through Punnett squares, and if you had a really exciting science teacher, perhaps they showed you some pea plants, which is the medium that Mendel used to figure a lot of this stuff out. However, we're going to use snakes because that's more fun, and we'll start with dominant genes. This is a leopard ball python. It differs from the wild type ball python in that a lot of this pattern is strung together and stretched out to make them a little bit more almost stripy. This is a dominant gene. If you breed this to any ball python, you have fair odds of getting some leopard babies if this is a heterozygous or one copy of the leopard gene. If this is a homozygous, which would look exactly the same, you would have all leopard babies. This is a Mojave ball python. Mojave is an incomplete dominant gene. So this little guy is heterozygous Mojave. He has one copy of Mojave. If you breed him to any ball python, you have odds of hitting a Mojave ball python. Now the fun part with incomplete dominance is that if you get two copies or a homozygous Mojave, you get this, a blue-eyed leucistic. So far the differences we have here is with the dominant gene, the heterozygous, one copy, and homozygous, two copy form of the gene look just the same, and with the incomplete dominant, they're vastly different. And then beyond that, you have recessive genes. This is a lavender albino ball python. If you have a heterozygous lavender albino ball python, the gene is recessive. It's not especially dominating. So it's going to look like a wild type ball python, which looks a little something like this. If you have the homozygous form, it looks like an albino. So in summary, to break it down, dominant genes, heterozygous and homozygous form, look the same. Incomplete dominant genes, heterozygous and homozygous forms, look quite different. And recessive genes, heterozygous form you can't see at all, and the homozygous form is the full presentation of that look. This means you have varying degrees of dominance. Now, wasn't that a lot more fun than some pea plants?